Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Only 1% people answer this. Which minister handles the Minister of Defense in 2025? A. Amit Shah, B. Nitin Gadkari, C. Rajnath Singh, D. Piyush Goyal. Answer C. Rajnath Singh. Second question. Who is the Home Affairs Minister in India 2025? A. Amit Shah, B. Nirmala Sitharaman, C. Kiran Rijiju, D. Jaishankar. Answer A. Amit Shah. Third question. Who is the Minister of Road, Transport and Highway in 2025? A. Ashwini Vaishnav, B. Nitin Gadkari, C. Hardeep Puri, D. Jyotiraditya Scindia. Answer B. Nitin Gadkari. Question 4. Which cabinet minister handles external affairs in 2025? A. Nitin Gadkari, B. Amit Shah, C. Jaishankar, D. Piyush Goyal. Answer Subramaniam Jaishankar. Question 5. Who is the Financial Minister in India 2025? A. Nirmala Sitharaman, B. Piyush Goyal, C. JP Nadda, D. Hardeep Singh Puri. Answer A. Nirmala Sitharaman. Question 6. Who handles the Chemicals and Fertilizers Minister in 2025? A. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, B. JP Nadda, C. Hardeep Puri, D. Giriraj Singh. Answer B. JP Nadda. Question 7. Which minister managed agriculture and farmers welfare in 2025? A. Nitin Gadkari, B. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, C. Amit Shah, D. H.D. Kumaraswamy. Answer B. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Question 8. Who is the Minister of Rural Development in 2025? A. J.P. Nadda, B. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, C. Nirmala Sitharaman, D. Manmohan Khattar. Answer B. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Question 9. Who is the Minister of Heavy Industries in 2025? A. H.D. Kumaraswamy, B. Nitin Gadkari, C. Piyush Goyal, D. Giriraj Singh. Answer A. H.D. Kumaraswamy. Question 10. Who is the Minister of Commerce and Industries in 2025? A. Nitin Gadkari, B. Piyush Goyal, C. Amit Shah, D. Giriraj Singh. Answer B. Piyush Goyal. Question 11. Who holds the Educational Minister? A. Nirmala Sitharaman, B. Dharmendra Pradhan, C. J.P. Nadda, D. Ashwin Vaishnav. Answer B. Dharmendra Pradhan. Question 12. Which minister handles consumer affairs and mines in 2025? A. Nitin Gadkari, B. Prahlad Joshi, C. J.P. Nadda, D. Giriraj Singh. Answer B. Prahlad Joshi. Question 13. Which minister leads tourism and culture in 2025? A. Piyush Goyal, B. J. Kishan Reddy, C. Ashwin Vaishnav, D. Nitin Gadkari. Answer B. J. Kishan Reddy. Question 14. Who is the Minister of Women and Children Development in 2025? A. Annapurna Devi, B. Nirmala Sitharaman, C. Smriti Rani, D. Manmohan Kalkatar. Answer A. Annapurna Devi. Question 15. Who is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gases in 2025? A. Hardeep Singh Puri. B. Dharmendra Pradhan. C. Nitin Gadkari. D. Piyush Goyal. Answer A. Hardeep Singh Puri.